Hi guys, so yesterday me and Jellyfish went to the Swan market. If you are Dutch or live here, I think they also do it in Belgium, you might have heard of it before, but if you haven't, it is basically a marketplace, but it is for kind of small brands, young designers, very kind of new up and coming entrepreneurs that handcraft their own things or make a lot of their own things, and they're kind of trying to get a step in to showing off what they can do, selling what they can do. So it's really a lot of unique, a lot of creative, a lot of individual kind of things. And I picked up a few pieces. In fact, Jellyfish spoiled me rotten and treated me to all of them, but I wanted to show you what I got. So I'm going to show you the bigger things first. There was this stall that had all these air plants, and a friend of mine, Stesha, introduced me to air plants ages ago, and I never actually got them. So I was really excited when I saw them. So I have two different things to show you. I am going to put some close-ups in of everything because some of these things are tiny. But the first one is this. So it's obviously a glass, that sounds a bit plastic, maybe it's plastic, jar, and it has 1, 2, 3 different air plants in it and this little rope thing going on, but it's super cute. You're going to hear me say that a lot for sure in this video. And then I also picked up this one. So this is like the shell of a sea urchin, but it has an air plant inside of it, which they have on this little twig thing. So it kind of hangs in this kind of glass vase with some seashells and stones at the bottom. If I remember rightly, this one was €15 and the bigger one was $17.50. Okay, the second thing, and this is actually the last thing I picked up in the day, but I got a hat. It looks like this. I have been wanting a hat like this for ages, and I've actually tried on a bunch, and they're either too big, or they're like bends in the hat on the top are weird and don't look right, or they're too small, or like this part, I think it has a name to it, can't remember what it is, but this part's either too big or too small. And so I saw these, they were €29, but this is what the hat looks like. It's super snug to my head, which I love. They had all kind of different sizes. However, in the Dutch super wind, it doesn't stay on my head, but nothing will. But this is the hat. I'm absolutely in love with it. I bought it and then I had it on for the rest of the day yesterday. Not sure it quite goes with what I'm wearing, but hey, there we are. There is my hat. I love it. Okay, and then I got a couple of jewelry pieces, so I will make sure to insert closer ups for you guys. The first ones I got 2 necklaces from a brand called, I'm gonna guess it's Many, M-A-H-N-Y. And I think, if I'm right, that they are French. But she had all this gorgeous jewelry, so I picked up 2 necklaces that I intend on wearing at the same time. So I got this one that is just a rose gold, super thin chain, and then it just has a little plain circle rose gold pendant on the end. Super simple, but just really chic and classic. And this is timeless. It's not kind of costume or fashion jewelry that's going to go out of style. And to go along with that, I got this one. Now it's basically the same. So again, it's a rose gold thin chain, and then it has a circular pendant at the bottom, but rather than it being full rose gold, it has, there is a name for this, and it's going to annoy me that I don't know what it is, but it reminds me almost like a seashell, that kind of iridescent kind of colour that's white, but in certain lights it's pink or purple or even a little bit blue. But individually I thought they were both really, really nice, and together I think they will look adorable. I'm trying to remember the prices. I think the gold one was 20 or 19.90 something, and this one was 24 something, so 25 I think it was. Then I got a bracelet. I'm so in love with this bracelet. She packaged it in this cute little kind of tarnished silver tin. The girl was adorable, so she hand makes all of the jewellery herself, which I absolutely love, because this what I have here, no one else is going to have, because it's completely kind of one of a kind, handmade, really unique and original. Her name was Nina, and her company is Nina Designs, N-E-N-A. The bracelet looks like this. Again, you won't see it here, so I'll put an insert, but it has this gorgeous, it's almost like an agate stone, as the kind of pendant in the middle of it, which I guess is painted gold around the outside, or silver, and the bracelet itself is silver. I just think it's so special, it's so unique, and it's just, oh, I don't plan on ever taking this off. I think it's absolutely stunning and such a one-of-a-kind individual piece. I believe I was their first sale of the day. I kind of heard them say that as I walked away, but it was so lovely. This was 50 euros or 49 something or other, but I think it's totally worth the money. It's really well made. You can see how well made it is, and I've dabbled a little bit in simple jewelry making myself, and it's not easy, let me tell you that. So this is gorgeous. I have one more thing to show you that I didn't actually get at the Swan Marked, but I got the day before, and they're so cute that I had to show you. I actually got them from Starbucks, and again, Jelly treated me to these, but I got 2 cups. Look how cute. So I got a white one and a pink one. They also had like a mint greeny one, which I thought was cute, but these ones are just, they're so more me. But they have this kind of, I don't know which one you'll see best on camera, maybe this one. It's kind of geometric design to them, so it's not completely smooth or completely round. The cup itself is round, but on the outside it has almost these like diamond shapes kind of sticking out of it, and again in this geometric pattern. They were about 20 euros if I'm, were they 20? No, 10. 10.95 I think they were. So around 20 for the 2. But they're just so cute, and I absolutely love them. I had to show you them in this video. But that's it, super quick. That's all I have to show you. Like I said before, I will make sure to try and link everything and everyone's shops down in the description box. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel so you can come back and see me over and over again. And if you want to make sure that you don't miss a video, make sure to hit the notification button. I'm gonna get going. I'm actually probably gonna film another video because I have the day off of work, so I have time. But that's it for me. You'll see me again in a week. If once a week, however, of me is not enough for you, well done you for a start. But go and follow me on social media. My Instagram and Facebook are linked down below. I also have Pinterest. I don't have Twitter because I'm so bad at it. But yeah, come find me elsewhere. I am officially leaving. I love you guys, and I will see you next week. Mwah. Have a good day. Bye bye.